Here in this question, we have to find the value of 5 plus 5 into 5 minus 5. So let's start. 5 plus 5 is 10 into 5 minus 5. Then 10 into 5 is 50 minus 5. Now 50 minus 5 is 45. But this is the wrong method. So the correct method for doing this problem is by applying BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule. Here B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So here we have multiplication, addition and subtraction. Here before addition, multiplication comes first. So let's do multiplication. Here 5 into 5 is 25 minus 5. Next we have to do addition. 5 plus 25 is 30 minus 5. And lastly we have to do subtraction, where 30 minus 5 is 25. So the correct answer for 5 plus 5 into 5 minus 5 is 25.